Welcome to another bite-sized adventure in gastronomy. Today's menu is brimming with an array of mouth-watering dishes from various corners of the world, taking us on an Epicurean odyssey like never before. This culinary expedition will bring us face-to-face with a myriad of flavors, influences, and techniques that have been refined over centuries by untold generations of cooks and chefs. Our quest is not just about enjoying food, but about immersing ourselves in the cultural nuances that shape each dish, and appreciating the love and labor that go into creating every bite. We commence our journey in the vibrant heartland of Mexico, a country that pulsates with culture and culinary richness. Mexico is known for its dynamic gastronomy, a delightful blend of indigenous and Spanish influences. Our first dish on the tasting menu is the humble but flavor-packed street tacos, a quintessential Mexican delight. These tacos are an exciting medley of tenderly cooked meat, fresh cilantro, and a burst of zesty lime. Each bite hints at the complexity of Mexican cuisine, with its layered flavors, varied textures, and mix of fresh and cooked ingredients. The meat in the tacos, usually pork or beef, is marinated in a blend of traditional Mexican spices and slow-cooked until it's succulently tender. This process, which often takes hours, is a testament to the patience and skill of Mexican cooks. The cilantro, on the other hand, adds a touch of freshness, and a distinct herbaceous aroma that balances out the richness of the meat. Lastly, a squeeze of lime gives each taco an unexpected zing, cutting through the meaty flavor and leaving your palate refreshed and ready for the next bite. But that's not all Mexico has to offer. The country's culinary landscape is as diverse as its geography, from fiery salsas and hearty stews to sweet pastries and refreshing beverages. Each region has its unique dishes and culinary traditions, steeped in history and local produce. From the corn-based dishes of the central region to the seafood-rich cuisine of the coast, Mexico presents an endless array of flavors to explore. Our next stop is the sun-drenched land of Italy, home to a cuisine that has won hearts worldwide. An iconic representative of Italian gastronomy is the classic margherita pizza. Comprising only a handful of ingredients, ripe tomatoes, fresh mozzarella, and basil, this pizza embodies the Italian ethos of using quality and letting their natural flavors shine. The tomatoes, kissed by the warm Italian sun, lend a natural sweetness and a slight tartness to the pizza. The mozzarella, made from Italian buffalo milk, melts into a creamy blanket that ties together the other ingredients. And the basil, scattered generously over the top, provides a fragrant touch that lifts the whole dish. But the magic of the margherita pizza doesn't end there. The crust, made from just flour, water, yeast, and salt, is baked to a perfect balance of crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, providing a delightful contrast of textures. From Italy, we journey east to the land of the rising sun, Japan. This island nation is known for its culinary philosophy of achieving harmony and balance in every dish, as exemplified by sushi. Each piece of sushi is a work of art, featuring vinegared rice, fresh seafood, and a touch of wasabi. This combination of flavors, the slight sweetness and tang of the rice, the delicate flavor of the seafood, and the sharp heat of the wasabi, creates a taste experience that is at once simple and complex. But sushi is just one facet of Japanese cuisine, which is as diverse as it is refined. From the one-pot comfort of nabe to the elegant multi-course kaiseki, from the sweet treats of wagashi to the savory delights of yakitori, Japan offers a culinary journey that is both deeply traditional and innovative. Our journey doesn't end there. From the bustling streets of Mumbai with their spicy street food to the quaint cafes of Paris serving soul-warming pastries, every corner of the world has a unique story to tell through its food. From the hearty soups of Russia to the flavorful tagines of Morocco, from the smoky barbecues of Australia to the comforting poutines of Canada, every dish offers insight into the region's history, traditions, and way of life. They are a testament to human creativity and a celebration of the Earth's bountiful produce. So buckle up, food lovers. This journey is a celebration of the world's diverse gastronomic landscape. From sizzling street food to gourmet delicacies, from hearty comfort food to exotic novelties, there's a dish for every palate. The world is our dining table, and every day, a feast. Let us celebrate the joy of discovering new dishes, the thrill of tasting new flavors, and the satisfaction that comes from a meal well enjoyed. Until next time, keep those appetites sharp and adventurous.
I'm on a journey, attention in my side. Traveling solo, counting the highlights.